One psychological move that makes women chase you obsessively: Stoic attraction. Most men chase. They try to impress, over-communicate, and hope for her validation. But the truth is, the men women chase do something very different. It's not about being rich or overly handsome. It's about making her feel something she can't get anywhere else. And there's one psychological move that triggers this. A move that, when done right, makes her think about you constantly and even chase you obsessively. The move is called emotional contrast. It's the art of subtly shifting between presence and mystery. Between being deeply connected one moment and emotionally unavailable the next. This triggers a dopamine loop in her brain. Why? Because women are not addicted to men. They become addicted to the emotional roller coaster they feel around them. The unpredictability makes her mind search for you. The rare moments of warmth become precious, and she begins to invest more because you're no longer just a man. You're an experience. Point 1. Be fully present when you're with her. When you're with her, listen deeply. Look into her eyes. Respond with calm confidence. Make her feel like she's the only woman in the world. She should feel your emotional depth, your grounded presence. But then, 2. Disappear strategically after a deep moment. Don't be available all the time. Don't text constantly. Don't over-explain your silence. Let her wonder. Let her imagination do the work. This creates mystery, which breeds obsession. Most men do the opposite. They start strong, then chase. They reveal everything too soon. They remove the challenge. But high-value men? They keep their center. They don't seek approval. They know that space creates desire. If you're always available, there's no emotional contrast. And without contrast, there's no chase. Here's what the Stoics understood. Desire is created not by force, but by restraint. So what's the key? Don't try to impress. Impress by being unbothered. Don't react. Respond with intentional calm. Don't chase. Let her feel your absence, and she'll begin to question her own emotions. And when she's questioning, when she starts overthinking, when she's replaying your words at night, that's when she starts chasing you. The one psychological move? Emotional contrast. Be both the fire and the shadow, the connection and the distance. Make her feel something no one else does, and you won't need to chase her. She'll chase you with intensity, curiosity, and desire. Emotional contrast is the subtle shift between being emotionally present and being slightly distant, giving her deep attention, and then withdrawing it with calm detachment, letting her feel safe one moment and uncertain the next. This triggers dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Why? Because the mind gets hooked on unpredictability. The unknown becomes the most addictive experience. That's why women chase men who are emotionally dynamic, not robotic, not overly available, not desperate, but controlled, present, and then gone. Psychologically, women are drawn to emotional novelty. The mind craves something it can't fully predict. And that contrast, that tension between closeness and distance, is what creates the emotional hooks that keep her thinking about you non-stop. It's not manipulation. It's presence followed by self-respect. It's the art of connection followed by withdrawal. A rare balance. And that's exactly what high-value men do. 1. Be fully present. Then pause communication when you're with her. Make her feel deeply seen. Ask thoughtful questions. Look her in the eyes. But afterward, let silence do its work. Don't text instantly. Let her miss you. 2. Show interest. Then focus on yourself. Compliment her once. Make her feel special. Then go back to your purpose. Your mission. Let her feel devoid of your attention. That space creates emotional craving. 3. Break patterns. If she's used to guys texting all day, single quotes. if she expects you to open up first. Don't break the cycle. Let her work for your attention. This contrast shocks her system and sparks the chase. The biggest mistake? Consistency without polarity. If you're always available, always replying instantly, ... She knows exactly how to read you, ... and the moment she can predict you, she gets bored. Remember, it's not cruelty. It's not ghosting ... It's giving her just enough to keep her emotionally engaged, while still protecting your time and purpose. The Stoics taught us something vital. Control your emotions, and the world follows. When you use emotional contrast with calm confidence, she doesn't feel manipulated. She feels intrigued. She starts wondering about you, dreaming about you, wanting to figure you out. And that's the start of her obsession, because nothing is more attractive than a man who can give her a glimpse of heaven and then vanish without apology. Here's your challenge. Be present, then disappear. Show interest, then fall silent. Let her feel the contrast, and watch her chase that feeling all the way back to you. This is the psychological move most men never use, but once you do, you won't need to chase women ever again. They'll feel it. They'll crave it. They'll come to you. If this resonated, and you want more Stoic strategies that awaken deep attraction in women, subscribe now. This isn't about games. It's about power. The calm, silent kind that women feel, but can't explain. See you in the next one.